Hi, I'm Beth Perry. It's Friday, June 27, 2008. In this week's Beaker Beat, life sciences companies are spending more money to have a voice in Washington. Pfizer sets its sights on a company specializing in blindness. And what on earth would make you jump out of a plane? Scientists say you're just wired that way. Those are some of the top stories in this week's Beaker Beat. So who's winning the pharma and biotech battles on Capitol Hill? Apparently it's the lobbyists. Life sciences companies spent $168 million last year to make their presence known in D.C. That's 32% higher than the year before. And the Baltimore Business Journal says that may be money well spent. Some key laws that passed last fall allowed federal regulators to collect fees to speed up the drug approval process and extend drug patent protections for another 6 months to allow drug companies to test their products in children. And the pharmaceutical industry also successfully fought legislators from limiting prescription drug advertising directly to the public. According to the Center for Public Integrity's report, the top 3 big spenders are Amgen with $16.3 million, AstraZeneca at $4.1 million, and Teva Pharmaceutical coming in at $2.3 million. Pfizer has turned its sights to a stem cell biotech company called Eyesight in San Diego. The deal is they'll be developing stem cell treatment for eye diseases. Now, Pfizer will be bankrolling about $3 million to get the company growing, but that's not all. Forbes is reporting if the therapy looks promising in a couple of years, Pfizer will have the right of first refusal to buy it outright. The concept is to combine the entrepreneurial spirit of the startup with the muscle and clout and access to resources of a pharmaceutical company. The biotech unit's president says Pfizer's top scientists will work with the Eyesight team. Genetown was buzzing with cutting-edge drug information this week as Boston played host to the DIA's 44th annual meeting. 8,000 attendees came to the Boston Convention Center, where the Drug Information Association's annual meeting showcased 360 sessions and 500 exhibiting companies. The DIA is an association serving more than 30,000 professionals in the life cycle management of pharmaceutical and medical products. The annual meeting is also a well-known platform for networking. As a Beaker user, you know that we're Web 2.0, pulling together all of the resources in the life sciences industry and putting them into one community to make your life easier. Well, now there are companies who want to make taking your meds easier too. Health 2.0 is taking the spotlight with nearly 3 dozen companies on the East Coast using the web to deliver various kinds of healthcare services. It's in a report from Xconomy.com. One company profiled, InnovationRx, uses email, text, and phone calls to help patients remember to take their meds. It's not just for hotel wake-ups anymore. To find out more about that story, click on the Connect tab up above Beaker Beat and then go to the industry news section. Now, you know somebody, maybe it's you, who gets a rush out of jumping out of planes at 13,000 feet. What makes a person do that? In the journal Neuron, scientists have discovered a primitive area of the brain that makes us adventurous. Using brain scans to measure blood flow, British researchers found a brain region known as the ventral striatum was stimulated when subjects chose new and unfamiliar experiences. Now, researchers also found it can contribute to more common vices like gambling, drug addiction, and shopping. Hopefully we've become one of your favorite vices. That's going to do it for this week. We'll see you next Friday. I'm Beth Perry with Beaker Beat.